Thank you for your interest in the Crohn's and Colitis Congress. This brief video will show you how to network using the 2020 Congress mobile app. To get started, you'll need to download and install the app. First, you may enter your phone's app store and search for the Event Pilot Conference app. Or you can navigate directly to the app by following one of the displayed links. After you install and open the app, you'll see the home screen menu options. To see a list of social events occurring at the meeting, scroll down on the app home screen and tap the Social Events option. The Congress mobile app also provides a convenient way to message other attendees. From the app home screen, scroll down and tap the Find a Colleague option. You'll then see options to send messages to other attendees and also view the messages that have been sent to you. Please note that the Find a Colleague feature is available only to registered attendees of the meeting. The first time you access the feature, you'll need to log in using your badge number and your last name. Return to the app home screen to take advantage of other social media networking opportunities. Tap the appropriate buttons to share your tweets and photos of the Congress. In your posts, be sure to use the official hashtag #CCCongress20. If you have any questions about using the Congress mobile app, please contact Congress Administration at info@crohnscolitiscongress.org. Thank you for your interest in the 2020 Crohn's and Colitis Congress.